Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce how to make ginger pork. Ginger pork is called shogaki, and shogaki is one of the most popular homemade dish in Japan. The way of making shogaki is very simple. The texture is juicy and tender, and the taste is so good. This is my original recipe. I hope you enjoy delicious ginger pork shogayaki. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll make the marinated sauce. These are ginger and onion. I'll grate them. Ginger has nice flavor close to the skin, so I use it without peeling the skin. I grate the ginger about 10 grams. Okay, then I'll grate the onion about 30 grams. Onion gives sweetness to the sauce and makes the pork tender. The grated onion is also important. I've grated the ginger and onion. Then I add 40 grams of soy sauce, 20 grams of mirin, 20 grams of sake, and 5 grams of rice vinegar. At last, 12 grams of sugar. I mix them until the sugar dissolves. Okay, the marinated sauce is done. Next, I'll prepare pork loin. This pork is grown in Gunma Prefecture. It has a beautiful fat. I cut the fat and gristle to prevent the pork from shrinking. It helps to make the pork straight and cook it evenly. Like this. I do the same thing to the opposite side as well. Okay, then I push the pork with some entirely. Okay. I place the pork on the container and pour the sauce over them. I turn over the pork to distribute the sauce. Okay. I marinate the pork for 1 hour totally at room temperature. Meanwhile, I'll turn over them. You may think the sauce is not enough to soak the pork, but it's the best amount to make delicious ginger pork without wasting the ingredients. Ginger is written by like this. One hour later, the pork absorbs the flavor well. I turn on the heat. The level of heat is medium-low. I'll release the pork from the fat part. This is quite important to make delicious ginger pork. If the fat is well grilled, the taste becomes richer. And we'll enjoy nice roasted flavor. Please try to grill the pork from the fat. I grill it for about 3 minutes. Of course, you can hold the pork with tongs. I grill the fat part like this without turning over. Once the nice roasted smell rises, I grill the front side. I'll brown the front side beautifully. I turn up the heat to medium-high and grill them. The patience is important. Please make sure not to check whether it's cooked or not frequently. I spread the fat below the pork. Almost. I'll turn over them. Perfect. Well browned. I grill them for about 2 minutes. Then I'll grill the opposite side for about 1 minute. Okay, turn off the heat. And remove the pork from the pan. Looks so nice. The texture is tender. It is very good. Then I wipe out the excess fat and remove the burnt parts. We don't need to wash the pan to keep the flavor of the pork on the pan. Like this. I add the marinade sauce and turn on the heat. The level of heat is low. And reduce the sauce. The sauce is getting thick and rich. This work is so important to coat the pork with beautiful shiny sauce. Okay, I return the pork. Nice. And pour the sauce over them. The smell of pork and the sauce is very good. I reheat the pork. Ideally, the pork is still not cooked a bit. A little bit soft texture is best now. Okay, I turn off the heat. Yes, ginger pork is cooked. It's not easy to make pork tender and juicy, but if you practice it, you can make delicious ginger pork. Beautiful. Let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. The sauce is perfect. The look of pork is soft and juicy. Nice. Okay. I arrange it on the plate. This plate is sometsuke plate. And it is radish sprout kaiware. The flavor is a bit pungent. Kaiware is very well with the ginger pork. I'm sure arugula is an also good partner. And tomato. Okay, ginger pork is done. いただきます。The pork is very juicy and tender, and the sauce is well balanced. I'll eat it with kaiware. Kaiware gives refreshing flavor. I'm sure lettuce and simple salad are great with it. Of course, sticky rice too. It is so delicious. Thank you. Have you ever made ginger pork? In Japan, it is more common to use thin-sliced pork to make ginger pork. Both are delicious and merit, but today I chose to use pork loin. If you are interested in thin-sliced pork version, please let me know. I hope you enjoy Japanese ginger pork. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.